Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another episode of IT project tutorial. In this video, we are gonna learn about root type. Root type in static root. Yes, root type. There is four types from root type. That's the first is unicast. The definition of unicast this is the default routing type used for normal route where data packets are sent to a valid next hop gateway. It forwards traffic directly to the destination. For analogy definition, imagine there is a regular student entering a school. At the gate, they show their ID to the security guard who checks the name list and directs them to their classroom. The path is clear and the student reach the correct destination smoothly. So what is the meaning? So the meaning that's just like student data packet in a unicast route follow valid, well-defined path to reach the specific destination. Okay. Next, the second is black hole. So what is black hole? Black hole route is definition of black hole route that black hole route silently drops packet without sending any error message when pinging the destination. The sender will only see a timeout response. Analogy that is like the security guard sees someone at the gate who doesn't have permission to enter or whose destination is unknown. Instead of making a scene or explaining anything, the guard quietly leads them to an empty room where no one is there, and they never come back out. So what is the meaning? The meaning, the packet. So the meaning is the packet are silently discarded without notifying the sender. They simply disappear into black hole, and they just send a timeout message. Okay. Next, the third is prohibit. So the definition of prohibit that prohibit routes block the packet and notifies the sender with an ICMP message that is communication administratively prohibited. For analogy, that's like a visitor arrives, but the guard immediately stops them and says loudly, "You are not allowed to enter," even sending a report to the principal. The visitor knows clearly that access has been denied. The meaning that is the router rejects the packet and sends an error notification to the sender. This is an intentional administrative block. So this like black hole, but for make the difference, this is they for prohibit they sense a notification that is communication administratively prohibited. They have the same meaning, same block, but prohibited sends a message. Black hole no, is a timeout. Okay. For the last is unreachable. For the four or the last is unreachable. Definition of unreachable that is unreachable route blocks the packet and returns an SCMP message host unreachable. For analogy, that's like a visitor arrives at the school gate asking where is classroom Z99. The guard replies that room doesn't exist in the school. The visitor is told clearly that their destination cannot be found. So what the meaning from that? So the meaning from that is the router cannot find the destination network and informs the sender that the route is unreachable. Okay, maybe for more jelas, we go to the lab. So you can make this topology. There is two router and 5 VPC. Okay, the first PC is to client PC. The second is for unreachable type. The third is for prohibit type. The fourth is for black hole type, and the fifth is for unicast type. Okay, so in PC client you can add IP like this. You can add IP like this, IP 1.9 192.198.10.2/24, and for the gateway 1.2.168.1 point 10.1 and enter. And the PC got that IP, and don't forget to save. Okay, we go to the root number 1. Okay, waiting for the loading to open it. Okay, so in this router you can add IP address like this. You can copy this address, or you can go make by yourself like this. For Ether 4 is this, and for Ether 2 is this. Okay, for the next router, for router 2, maybe I open it on first or make it fast. Okay, we go to the router 2. You can add, you must first add IP address. You can add like this. Yeah, so this is for the unicast. This is for the black hole. This is for the prohibit. This is for unreachable, and you can add it like this. Okay, and don't forget add IP on this interface 1 to connect to router 1. Okay, now for add in the PC unreachable. Okay, you can add IP like this: 1.192.198.20.2/24, and for the gateway 1.192.198.20.1. Okay, now we go to the next PC for prohibit. Okay, you can add IP like this: 192.198.30.2/24, and for the gateway 198.168.30.1. Okay, next to the next PC for black hole. Okay, for black hole you can add IP 192.198.40.2/24, and for the gateway 192.198.40.1. Sorry. Okay, next, the last is unicast, or the normal way. Okay, so IP. Okay, and this PC you can add the IP like this: 192.168.50.2/24. For the gateway 192.168.50.1. Okay, after we add all the nodes, we add the IP. Now we go to the router 1, we add IP root print. Yes, we add the IP root that's to the all the PC to all the PC. But there is a difference for type 1. For 1 is the 20. You must you must add like this IP root IP root. Oh, maybe this just like this ya. IP root print. Sorry. IP root print the child. No. Maybe I okay. For the first is point 20.0. You can add like this the root IP root add destination to 1.26. Okay. Okay. Next is the gateway. Gateway we use the neckboard of this IP that is 10.1. Okay, that we use 10.1. And nah, this description, this the different. We must add command that type. Next, there is the 4 point for root type. Okay, first we got the unreachable. Unreachable. Nah, unreachable and enter. Okay, to the second address is point 30. Point 30. Just like this, you can change to 3 and the type is we check again for prohibit. Okay, so we add prohibit, enter. Okay, next for is you can that means the next is black hole. Okay, you can text black hole. Okay, then change the 30 to 40 and enter again. Okay, for the last we change to 50 and the type is unicast. Okay, enter. Okay, after we add all the IP root, we can check the detail. That is IP root print detail. Okay, now you can see that there is the destination and there is type 2. The type like this ASU, active static unreachable. Next, the destination is like 2. There is the type prohibit ISP, active static prohibit. And the next there is the type that is black hole, and that muncul ASB, active static black hole. And the last just AS. Why? Because this is unicast, the normal one. This like the normal static root. Okay, after that we go to the router 2. We add IP route 2. For IP route-nya like this. In router 2 you just add the destination address to this network that is 1.2.192.168.10.0/24. And in the gateway we use the neckboard of this IP that is 10.2. Okay, maybe after that now we can test wait maybe okay, now there's okay for now we can test the unit in the PC client. First we ping the unreachable. We check it. Okay, the unreachable. We see the result being 192.168.20.2. Enter. Yes. They sense the SMS that is host unreachable. Okay, we go next to 30.2. That is prohibit. Enter. Okay, there is the ini ya, the message that is communication administratively prohibited. And we next to the 40. That is okay, that's strike 2. That is black hole ya. Black hole just send a message that is time out. There is no message like this. This is just time out. And the last is 50. We check that we're gonna check. Okay, the 50 is normal because we setting that is unicast or the normal static root. Okay, that is the result after we configure for the root type that is unreachable, prohibit, black hole, and unicast. Maybe that's all that can I say. So sorry if I a mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay guys, maybe you can see the mistake of the video that I forget to to ini to pindahin the camera. Okay, for fast meaning, for biar cepat, for fast, that you can add IP on this router. Okay, first you can add the IP in this PC. For the IP this, and the Mycotic one you can add the IP that is this IP and IP this IP, and don't forget to the interface. Don't forget to sesuaikan the interface. Okay, we go to the router 2. You can add this IP, and don't forget the interface. This is one. Okay, and for this PC you can add the IP like this. The IP and the gateway. Next the IP and the gateway. Next the IP and the gateway. And next the IP and the gateway. Okay, after add all the IP address, next the router board 1. That is the router IP root. This, don't forget to add it. For the command you can like this, IP root add destination. For example 192.20.0/24 gateway 10.1, and don't forget the type that we talked before. The first is unreachable. Okay, and then this enter. And for the detail you can see like this, IP root print details. This you can see the type each router. ISU unreachable, ISP prohibit, ASB black hole, and AS is unicast. Okay, now the last this is the result after we configure. The first is 20.2. This correct, yeah, that is unreachable. The second 3.2 prohibited, correct too, prohibit. The next 40.2 timeout. This correct too. Timeout, that means black hole. Yeah. And the last, this is the correct way or the normal way. That is unicast 50.50.2. Okay, this is the result after we configure. And maybe that is for my mistake, yeah, because I forgot to pindahin the cam. Sorry for that mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.